students, and welcome back to your spoken English teaching. I hope that you've got your book ready and you're excited to learn the next stages. Now, we're learning specific topics, so get those reading, writing and listening skills key, and let's get started. We all need to wear clothes, whether it's something new, something old, or something borrowed. It's part of our individuality and social status. Nowadays, clothes are intercultural. This means that we take in ideas from other countries and we enjoy what other people wear. We then bring that to our own identity, share it among groups, and we discover different sizes, shapes, colours, how to wear it. In men and women, it's very, very different. Sometimes we like to cross-dress. Either way, that's cool, and we love to be our individual selves. Clothing is a massive part of our life, and a huge, huge fashion industry supports our sense of identity and creativity. When it comes to clothes, there's so much to learn. You need to know what to say, how to order something, or maybe how to show your best garment off to your friends. Are you ready to go and be individual? Let's go exploring.
Let's start by talking about men's clothing. Shirt. Shirts are clothing for the upper body. T-shirt. A t-shirt is a casual top. It is named because when flat, t-shirt resembles a letter T. Jeans. Jeans are trousers made of denim. Trousers. Trousers typically cover you from the hip to the ankle. Shorts. Shorts are short trousers. Underwear. Underwear is usually worn next to the skin under other clothing. Socks. Socks are worn over the feet to keep them warm. Tie. A tie is worn around the neck, under the collar of a shirt. This is considered formal wear. Belt. A belt is worn to secure or tighten your trousers to your waist. Belts are commonly made of leather. A vest. A vest is an undergarment to keep the upper body warm. Jumper. Jumper is a knitted clothing to cover the upper body. Coat. A coat is worn as an outer garment. Let's continue with talking about women's clothes. Blouse. A woman's loose upper garment resembling a shirt, typically with a collar, buttons and sleeves. Skirt. A woman's outer garment fastened around the waist and hanging down around the legs. Dress. A one-piece garment for a woman or girl that covers the body and extends down over the legs. Sleeves. The part of a garment that wholly or partly covers a person's arm. Neckline. The edge of a woman's garment at or below the neck, used with reference to its height or shape. Nylons. Stockings or tights made of nylon. Bra. An undergarment worn by women to support their breasts. Nightgown. A light, loose garment worn by a woman in bed. Pyjamas. A suit of loose pants and jacket or shirt for sleeping in. Sweater. A knitted garment, particularly with long sleeves, worn over the upper body.
What do you need to buy today?
I need to buy a dress for the party.
What colour will your dress be?
Blue is my favourite colour.
Is it a fancy party that you're going to?
Yes, this is the corporate party.
You'll need to wear a new skirt.
Oh, okay. I will go and see if I see something at the store that you will like.
And that's it. That's the basics of what you need to know about clothing. Whether it's men's or women's, or whether it's just something that bit different, you know your vocabulary to use now. Now, I challenge you to go out there and share your words with the world. Why not dress up in different ways and go exploring? Why not go into town thinking of something different? Why don't you be a punk for one day, or maybe you be a bit of a goth? Why don't you be one of the chavs or someone down the street? Why don't you go out there and be the best version that you can be, while listening, speaking, and writing your way through English language? Don't forget to log on to your portal at www.lingportal.com. I'll see you next time.